Yeah.
I don't want to jump.
That's fucking insane, though.
Yeah. I don't even know what happened.
This kid's underneath the water. This kid's underneath the water. He's not even dying.
Right, I swear, if I jump and I don't go up. Sweet.
Oh my god. OMG.
That's so cool. Wait. Yeah! I can shoot.
He can shoot underneath the water. This kid's a hacker.
I'm not hacking.
He can even pour gas and probably light it up.
No.
No, I can't light up the gas, guys, but yeah. Look at this shit. Look. Maybe.
Well, it made the explosion, but...
It made the explosion. I bet you people are, like, looking for you.
So this guy's swimming. This is so dumb. Huh? We should upload this to YouTube.
I am going to. I just be playing video games and this is what I see some kid running around in water.
This is so sick.
How are you gonna die? Throw a grenade.
Oh shit. Wow. I'm pretty sure this will kill me. Yeah.
That was insane.